Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to show WooCommerce products on a page. Let's get started. So on default, all your products will be added to your shop page right here. So you can see all the products that you have right here once you have actually explored this particular page. However, what will you do if you want to add these products on a different page? Like for example, on our blog post that we have right here. So in order to add those, we need to click on this plus icon right here and search in here for product. So I'll just search in here for that. And you can see in here, there's options right here. This one is beta. It is a block that displays selection of products in your store. You can also choose in here this products by category, which will display graded products from selected categories only. So for example, for this, you can choose product collection and also product attributes. So just choose which one. For me, I'll just choose this products right here and add this just below the short code. Then as you can see, it will be added just like this. And you can now see in here the products that we have on our actual page or shop page right here. So from in there, just click on the save option and then you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.